enter.
What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara X. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see, I am serving you half and half. I've been inspired by Euphoria, guys. I know editorial makeup has been out for a while, longer than Euphoria ever was a thought, you know? I'm aware, okay? But this show, such a gift. Such a gift. I started it, I want to say, the day after the season finale, because I don't like starting shows and then waiting, you know? I just want to watch everything in one go. So I finished it in a day, which wasn't that hard because it was 8 episodes, I think. Was really standing for the eye looks and the fashion by my fave MADDY, but I decided to create one of my own looks that I felt inspired by the show. As you can see, I have the gems, I got the feathers, I got the extra as hell highlighter. Okay, so really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see on Euphoria. Let me know down below, you know, converse, let's have a conversation or whatever, and let's get started. Base or eyes? Eyes or base? Base. Well, regardless, first thing I'm gonna do are my brows. So thank the Lord, I have restocked on my NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Black. Now I'm going to conceal my brows, and to do that, I'm going to be taking my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Almond. I'm going to bring y'all in close so we can get started on the eyes. I'm going to prime my eye, and to do that, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12. It's always a mouthful. I don't need that much today. I'm just going to blend that out, taking the Morphe M173 brush. So the 3 palettes that I'll be using today are the Morphe 35H Hotspot palette, the Morphe 15S Social Butterfly palette, and the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Taking this skinny brush from my Amazon brush set, I'm gonna go into the shade Singled Out from the Morphe 35H palette. Just making sure there's a lot on the tip. And I'm going to pretend as if I'm creating a wing. Just stamping it on, bring it along the crease. Just outlining my lid basically. And so next I'm going to take my e.l.f. Small Precision brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Real Deal from the same Morphe 35H Hotspot palette. And I'm just going to create another line, outlining the singled out shade. Next, I'm going to take my It's My Rare by BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, and I'm going to go into that same Morphe 35H palette, but I'm going to go into the shade Wave Maker. All right, so next I have my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm just going to squeeze some on the back of my hand. I'm just going to apply that on the crease. On my lid. I'm going to take this e.l.f. Small Smudge brush, and I'm going to go into the Sephora Glitter in the shade. It doesn't say, but it came in a set. And it's blue, okay? Cool. Dropped. So I'm just going to pack it on my eye. I'm going to be taking this Morphe M222 brush, and I'm just going to blend the colors a bit because I feel like I'm still seeing gaps between the shades. There. All right, so I'm about to do liner, and for that I'm gonna take this glitter liner I got from Sally's. It's in the shade Ultraviolet. And I'm going to line my lid, okay? Boom. I'm gonna let that dry because I feel like any sudden movement and I'm done for. Okay, so for this eye is gonna be very plain. Very plain, not even liner. Cases, I'm lying. There might be some just for the, you know, the thicker lash effect or whatever. So to prime this eyelid, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C13, not C12. I'm just going to put a very, very little bit, just that amount. And I'm going to be taking my, if I could just find it, there we go. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M173 brush. I can see stuff on my lashes and it's irritating me. Next, I'm going to take this brush from my Amazon brush set and I'm going to go into my Laura Mercier concoction. Ooh. I'm just going to dust that all over my eye. Not really applying any shadow. Then I'm going to go into the shade Caffeine Buzz using that same brush from the Morphe 35H palette. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to jump into my liner, and for that I'm going to be taking my Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner in shade Blackest Black using my Sephora Mini Angled Liner Brush. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Iguaku Dark 3. I'm just going to take 4 pumps using my Real Techniques Body Sponge. And I'm just going to apply it on my face. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. And I'm just going to apply that on my face. I don't want to use too much. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12. Taking this skinny brush, it's like very thin. It's from my Amazon brush set. And I'm just going to lightly take the smallest amount and pop that on my waterline. I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go into the bright green on the first row. I'm just going to pop that on top of the concealer. I wish there was a way to move my bottom lashes out of the way because they're so freaking long. So for blush, I'm going to go into my e.l.f. blush palette in the dark version, of course. I'm going to be taking the It's My Way by BH Cosmetics #2 brush, and I am going to go in between these 3 colors right here. 1, 2, 3. Or I mix 4. Let's mix all 4. What's the point? Living on the edge. Next, I'm going to get into highlighter, and for that, we are going to be using 2 different highlighters. One, because this is the editorial side, and then this is the rugged glam. The very basic glam side. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm going to go into the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to go into the shade Spectra. And that's going to be for this side. I'm just going to put a bit of Orion in the center. So for my regular glam side, I'm going to be going into the ColourPop Innuendo palette using my It's My Way by BH Cosmetics #5 brush. And I'm going to go in between the shades Fine Line and Losing Sleep. Bam! Now I'm going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Matter Setting Spray. So obviously, I'm going to be lining my lips with my Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. Now I'm just applying NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake. Now the final step are gems you can't have. I just feel like I need it. I'm just going to be applying them in between the two blows. Ooh. Oh yeah, this earring, before I forget, this earring I got from my hair store. So I mean, you could I'm pretty sure you can get it anywhere. It's just a feather earring. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. All right, and this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Before I let you